25 years ago, we saw an opportunity to create the world's finest shutters. With a lot of hard work and some luck, we succeeded. But in 2020, there was a different need, one of great purpose. What did a shutter manufacturer know about making medical supplies to protect frontline heroes? Honestly, nothing. But we learned. Rather than send our team of skilled craftspeople to unemployment, we pivoted the business and pulled together to fight an invisible enemy, knowing that every unit produced could save a nurse or a doctor, firefighter or police officer, a parent, grandparent, son or daughter. We hired over 200 temporary workers from the community to keep them off unemployment and provided desperately needed supplies at cost because profit was not our goal. Our goal was to help. But now it's time. Time to get back to supporting businesses and building our country up. And time for us to get back to doing what we're best at. Back to our mission of making every welcome home moment extraordinary. Because for so many of us, when it felt like everything changed, when there was fear and a sense of hopelessness, the one thing we could always count on was home.